Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. At a time when availability of land space is getting less and less, this property boasts more than enough. Enough for a family to play, to relax, to plant, or to tend to a garden. It provides great opportunity for expansion, opportunity to earn while you live, with clear individual spaces, ready for suitable tenants. This home is looking for a new owner, someone craving some space, longing for the right opportunity, and ready to add their personal touch. If that is you, then let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 19 million or US $123,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.